Indirect object pronouns tell you who receives the action, to whom or for whom something is done. In Spanish, they are me, te, le, nos, and les. Me is the first person indirect object pronoun.
Me das el libro.
You give me the book. Te is the second person indirect object pronoun.
Te mando un mensaje.
I'll send you a message. Le means to or for him, her, or formal usted.
Le digo la verdad.
I tell him the truth. Add a plus name to clarify who le refers to.
A María le compro flores.
I buy flowers for Maria. The indirect object pronoun comes before the conjugated verb.
¿Le escribes a tu amigo?
Do you write to your friend? Nos means to or for us, the first person plural indirect object pronoun.
El profe nos explica todo.
The teacher explains everything to us. Les means to or for them, or you all ustedes.
Les mando un correo.
I send them an email. Use a plus ellos or ustedes to clarify les.
A mis padres les doy un regalo.
I give my parents a gift. Verbs like dar, decir, and enviar almost always take an indirect object pronoun.
A ella le encanta bailar.
She loves to dance. With two verbs, attach the pronoun to the infinitive or place it before both.
Quiero contarte algo.
I want to tell you something. Indirect object pronouns go before the conjugated verb and show who receives the benefit of the action. Mi, te, le for singular, no, le for plural. Add a plus name to clarify le or les.
Me das el libro, te mando un mensaje. Le digo la verdad. ¿Le escribes a tu amigo? Nos explica todo. Les mando un correo. A mis padres les doy un regalo.
Practice free at pinglingo.com. Hasta la próxima.